Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This course introduces the input and output of the PDF Analyzer module. The PDF Analyzer module can read a PDF file on a specified path and output multiple TXT text files after compiling the data. If users have the need to analyze PDF file data, they can use PDF Analyzer module to do the analysis. After the PDF Analyzer module saves the analyzed results as TXT text files, it usually uses other modules to read these text files to compile the results. Next, we will introduce the PDF Analyzer module input variable. Emily will read the PDF file on the specified path and organize the data into the input variable. The contents of the entire document will be sorted into the input variable, and will use the page normalized coordinate (PNC) coordinate system to convert the entire document into a standardized coordinate system, as shown in the figure on the right. The origin is at the upper left corner of the page. No matter how many pages there are, the page will be extended downward along the y-axis of this coordinate system. The text in the PDF file is scattered throughout the coordinate system. Through this coordinate system, we can know the coordinates of each text, and we can utilize the spatial relationship between the text to parse out the specified information. The input variable of the PDF Analyzer module is formatted as an object. This input object contains all the information in the PDF file. Total pages represents the total number of pages. Text data represents all the text information in the document. H-lines represents all the horizontal lines in the document. V-lines represents all the vertical lines in the document. The most important thing is text data, which contains all the text information in the PDF. Each text in the PDF will be organized into a text object. Let's take a look at the information contained in the text object. Emily automatically categorizes each word in a PDF file into a text object according to an algorithm. Each text object has the following attributes: LT for left top, RT for the right top coordinate, LB for left bottom, RB for the right bottom coordinate, H for height, W for width, text for text, C for center coordinate. Next, we actually let Emily read a PDF file and print out what the input looks like after reading. First, prepare the PDF file you want to read. Next, turn on the Emily training mode. Enter the PDF Analyzer module. Click the Pick button to select the PDF file to be read. When the configuration is complete, press the Debug button to open the debug utility and switch to the console page. Then type console.log input in the code editor. Press the test button to run the test. See what is printed on the debug console page. Emily organizes the data in the PDF file into an input variable. After expanding the input variable, you can see the information of the whole PDF file, including total pages, text data, H-lines, V-lines, as introduced earlier. Expand text data to see all the text objects in the file. The text objects are sorted in a particular order, from left to right, top to bottom. Then we can click the View button to switch to the document preview page. If you have clicked on the Pick button in the PDF Analyzer module to select and read the file, you will be able to see the contents of the PDF file in the Viewer page. In the PDF viewer, you can see that all text objects recognized by Emily are highlighted in pink. And when you move the mouse over the text object, there will be a blue border. When the mouse on the viewer, there will also be crosshair coordinates to follow the cursor, showing the current position of the mouse coordinates. There are various operations on the PDF viewer to automatically generate code and parse the contents of the document. For more information, please refer to the related video. Let's take a look at the output variable in the PDF Analyzer module. In the PDF Analyzer module, the output variable is used to output the specified information as a text file. The output variable is formatted as an object. Each key in the object is a file name representing a text file. Each value corresponding to each key is the content of the text file. Take the output in the screen as an example. The first key, text_filename, in the output object represents the output of a text file named text_filename.txt, and the value corresponding to the key is the content of the text file. If there are more than one key value in the output object, Emily will output more than one text file. So after Emily outputs according to the variable output, it will output two text files like the picture below. Next, we will actually write the code to organize the specific information in the PDF file into a text file. The next goal is to export the date from this file to a text file named date.txt. Go back to the PDF Analyzer module and switch to the PDF Viewer page. Hover over the date text object. Hold Shift and press arrow key right. Click Train button and go back to Code Editor area. Press Ctrl+V to paste the automatically generated code. Next, write the following code to output the obtained results. After writing, open the workspace. Press the Test button to test the execution. After execution, Emily will export the file to the workspace. You can see that date.txt is generated to record the date in the file. When finished, press the Save button to save the module function. In the training mode, test and upload the skill. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.